Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where today I am going to be doing a Mrs. Brimbles unboxing for December. So I just covered my address, so all I've done is open the side, so let's get it open and see. So I have seen some little sneak peeks. And it is a Christmassy one, so I'm so excited. So Mrs. Brimbles logo with her bag, so I'll just put that to one side, and then we'll come to the cardstock that you get. So you always get these in the box. I've been getting this now for a couple of months, and I've got to say each month has been better than the last, but they are so good that I don't know how she does it. She just excels, like each and every single month she just outdoes herself. Like, it's brilliant. So this is the cardstock. So this is similar to last month's. In fact, I have last month's here because I'm about to do another video to show it's on something else. So this was last month's box, and this month's box is kind of the same theme with the Christmas, but in a nice green colour. So these are like your Project Life card sizes, so you just trim these to what you want. So that's really nice. And it's just plain on the back, so yeah, really like that. So your winter bucket list there, I'll probably do all of them. And just look at that snowman, and this is all Anna's own artwork. Sorry if you could hear the car beeping outside. And then we have little cute penguins with snowflakes on back, which are in the same green colour, which is really nice. And you get two of them. And then we have the snowmen, again with the little coffee cups, which are really cute. You get two of them. And on the back of this one is this tartan green colour, which is just, I always think, when I think of Christmas, I always think of tartan, and yeah, I just love it. And you got the red one in last month, so like I said, I saw sneak peeks of this, so I know what project I'm going to be using these on, which hopefully I am going to film, and you will see me doing it. So yeah, that's all the cardstock. So you get 5 pieces, so you get your Project Life. Let me just grab them again. So you get 2 of each. So the snowmen and the penguins, and then on the back is the snowflakes and the tartan. And obviously not forgetting your Project Life cards as well. So yeah, I'm liking them. Then on to the goodie bag. So let's open it up. I like to try and keep these in there. Oh no, that didn't happen. That didn't work. Never mind. Right, let's have a look. I'm actually going to put this to the side and pull out bits by bit, so I'm not spoiling anything. So you get this card, which is just so, oh, I love that. Yeah, the project that I'm working on, this might work really well in, so I'll see. I'll get everything out, measure stuff, and you can do it along with, watch it with me, and watch me do it. So this just is the little card that says, well, I'll pop it there and you can pause it if you want to have a read. But she always pops these in, and I love the fact that she signs it from all the family. which is just really, really cute. And that's a lovely, cute postcard size. So I love that. I'm not going to look. I'm just going to have a feel around and just grab the first thing that I pull out. Oh, okay. So this looks like a key ring. Oh my God. This is the softest thing I have ever felt. Oh my goodness me. Oh my God, I could just stroke that all day. I could literally stroke that all day. It just looks like a little snowball, doesn't it? Like have a snowball fight. It looks really cute. And yeah, so it looks like it's got a clip on key ring, or you can pop it on your keys on the side of your planner. That'd be really cute, that, actually, dangling off your planner for winter. Really like that. I can't stop touching it. It's so soft. Like that little snowball or little fluffy key ring. Next thing to pull out is, what's this? Oh, it looks like it's a little, a little snowman. How cute is that? It's got a stamp. That is so cute. My kids would love that. That's really cute. Oh, little snowman. I'll just pop him. Oh, he's going to roll off the table, so no, I'll pop him over here. Right, let's give it a bit of a shake up again. Sticky notes with the snowman. They're really cute. Like I say, these are all Anna's own designs, and I just think she is so talented and does the cutest things. So yeah, you get quite a lot on these as well. But they might be really good gift on, you know, little gift tags, just sticking them on. Oh, that's really cute. What's next in the goodie bag? Oh, some ephemera. Now, I was kind of hoping we would get something like this so I can carry on with my little project. But, oh no. Oh, phew. So, yet again, Anna's artwork. Snowman. Have a look what you get. Get the penguin. A little bit on the chilly side. A bigger snowman. Polar bear. Oh. Little girl. Blonde hair. Little girl with brown hair, a little hat, which I'll just pop on him, another polar bear, cozy, little circle, and then a little coffee. So they're really cute, and I know I can use them. Them to one side, rummage in the bag again, and it's this washi tape, so let's just open it. Oh goodness, I'm not. And it's snowflake, so try and find the end. There you go. So that's really nice. I know somebody that would love this, Danny. So I might send a sample if she's not already got it, because she loves snowflakes. So yeah. Another thing in the bag. Oh, pen. I'm all fingers, like thumbs today. I'm just dropping everything. And so this is a Swarovski pen. Ooh. So we'll just look at that shining white, and that is, should we see what colour that is? Ooh. So that is black. Oh, that is just, that wrote really nice actually. Really, really like that. Yeah, really like that. Thank you, Anna. This box is beautiful. There is more in this bag. There is more. Oh. Right, so the last two things in the bag are these stickers. So these ones have got all your, like for your planners, so ringing, your shopping list, payday, glasses. The plan is this. Gonna be epic, big plans, you gotta get it done, it's the weekend. They're really nice in the colour scheme and with the tartan as well, so they're really nice in your planner. And then we got Anna's artwork again, but in stickers. And what Anna does, which I really like, and she says it in all her videos, and it's a really, really good point, is she likes to pop them on clear acetate. So when you're journaling or you're in your planner, you can pop it on there first to see where you want to put it, rather than peeling it off, putting it on. Don't like it there, move it. So I really, really like that idea. So I really like them stickers. They're just so cute. So that is December's box, and I'm in love with it. I think she's done a really, really, really good job. So you get, so I'll just go through everything again. You just get stickers. Ooh, all your ephemera pieces. Sticking to the table. So all your ephemera pieces. Your washi tape. Your little snowman. Just gonna roll off the table. Your sticky notes. Your pen. The softest keyring in the world. Your little snowball. I don't know if it is a snowball. Mine looks like a snowball to me. And your postcard that says a little note from Anna. And then all of your papers that are just beautiful. Yeah, love it. Love, love, love it. Everything's gonna fall off now. But yeah, just a really, really good festive box. And I'm so, so happy with it. So thank you, Anna. And if you like this video and would like to see more unboxings, then go and hit the subscribe button. And thank you everyone for watching, and all of my subscribers. Love you all. Thanks. Bye.